Let's take a look at why we appraise performance. There are 5 reasons to appraise subordinate or employee performance. Although many employers are replacing or contemplating annual reviews with frequent informal discussions between managers and employees, most base pay, promotion, and retention decisions in large part are based on appraisal. Appraisals play a central role in the employer's performance management process. Performance management means continuously ensuring that each employee's performance makes sense in terms of the company's overall goals. The appraisal lets the manager and subordinate develop plans for correcting deficiencies and to reinforce strength. Appraisals provide an opportunity to review the employee's career plans in light of their strengths and weaknesses. An appraisal enables the supervisor to identify if there's a training need and provide the training required.